Insurer Hiscox has released its first estimate of the cost of Hurricane Harvey, which hammered the U.S. Gulf Coast earlier this month. The FTSE 250 listed group has forecast net claims of around $150 million, £110 million, based on an insured market loss of $25 billion. This figure is within the company's modeled range of claims for an event of this nature, and reinsurance protections for the group remain substantially intact, Hiscox said. It's been estimated that the insurance sector on the whole will have to pay out more than $15 billion as a result of Hurricane Harvey. Weather forecaster AccuWeather has predicted that the storm will cost up to $190 billion overall. Insurance exists to help individuals and companies recover from the devastation caused by events like this, and our priority is to pay claims quickly so that they can do that, said Hiscox Chief Executive Bronet Masahata. At the same time, Harvey has also highlighted the lack of flood cover for large parts of the U.S. market. Masahata added that 2017 will be an expensive year for natural catastrophes, but the industry can cope. Insurance remains a cyclical business, and after a long period of price reductions, insurance rates in the affected areas and in specific sectors such as large property are likely to increase, he said. In the wider global insurance market for large risks, we expect rates to stabilize and begin to increase. The company said it would update the market on the estimated cost of Hurricane Irma once the impact of that storm has become clearer. Shares in Hiscox were down more than 1% at the time of writing.